before we kick this video off, I'm gonna go ahead and say we got an entire box of new merch coming out. So if you guys don't know, I do have a website now, senditstevemerch.com. That's right, senditstevemerch.com. Head on over. We got some cool things on the site, and the site is going to be growing, changing. You're always going to want to check it out. You know, check it out periodically. We're going to sell some cool stuff. So as you can tell by the OBS, and you can tell by the Bruce, we had an absolute blast at the Buck Bog. So I'm going to roll the footage from, well, Saturday. Today's Monday. So roll the footage, senditstevemerch.com. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm Send It Steve. This is the Urban Bourbon, which you guys have been seeing in the videos. This is the F450. We got the Corvette. We've got the Bruce. We've also got the OBS. So today is actually going to be a video that is 100% about the Bruce. Now, we also are going to be taking the OBS, but I think I'm going to make two separate videos. We're going to do kind of a performance test to see what that truck did, and we're going to see what this truck did. But before we go through all that, we're going to get the Bruce on the trailer, because my buddy Sean Todd is on his way over. We got to actually run the mics. I'm borrowing a trailer from Mike, which the Bruce is going to go on, and then obviously we got to get my trailer loaded, which the OBS is going to go on, and Sean Todd is going to tow my trailer with the OBS. I'm going to tow my trailer, or Mike's trailer with the Bruce on it. So we got a bunch of things to move around here real quick. I'm going to try to do a time lapse. I think I've figured out how to actually finally do one. You know, I've been working on my editing, guys, and I'm doing it for you. But today is about the Bruce. We're taking it mudding, and we're going to what is called the Buck Bog. And now this is the 5th annual Buck Bog for Newport, Pennsylvania. And if you guys stopped out, you did see my post a couple, days ago, weeks ago. I post a lot on I post a lot on Instagram. So you kind of have an update of where I'm going, when I'm going, and what I'm taking. So let's get all this stuff loaded up. Got to move some stuff around here because we still have some lift stuff from the Suburban, and we just got junk everywhere, guys. We're working on it. We're working on it. No more projects. After this, we're not buying any more projects. The Urban Bourbon is now my new family vehicle. Well, it is an early one, but I want to give a huge shout out to Mike, Street Speed 717, for letting me borrow the trailer. Obviously, we sold him this trailer, but he's going to let me take the Bruce up to the Mud Bog with this trailer. So also, Mikey's here, the OG Zilla. Definitely check him out. Sweet right-hand drive Toyota Land Cruiser. That thing is freaking badass, guys. And of course, the famous Duramax. All right, let me get it loaded up. All right, guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. So we finally made it here to our first actual mud bog that we are going to send the Bruce through. So I'm a little nervous because of, obviously, I still blew the radiator hose. I didn't even fix that yet. And there's still some quirks that I got to work out, but it is what it is. We're here to have fun. We built this thing to have fun, and that's what we're going to do. So we got the kids in the car. We're going to go get over here to the tech station and everything and go have some fun. So we're out here at the Buck Bog, and we got two little subscribers here. What's your name?
Bryce.
Bryce, and you're from?
Chambersburg.
Chambersburg. And what's your name?
Trey.
Trey. And Trey is your brother?
Yeah.
Obviously. So I appreciate the support. What's the coolest thing out here? Don't say this. No. That one truck's pretty cool down there. Did you see that big blue one? That one's really nice.
It's probably either the big blue one or the pink Ford.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go out there and we're gonna have some fun.
Or the one GMC with tractor tires.
There's a tractor tire one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to look.
Ask if I can ride with you, but my mom said no.
You won't let him ride with me?
Are you allowed? I'm just gonna. I'm so muddy. I'm gonna get up on the roof.
Where's my GoPro?
Here.
Is it on?
Yes.
All right, guys, so we're obviously out here, and it is definitely a big fish. You definitely need speed and momentum. Obviously, there's a whole crowd like all the way around, and the Civic's doing not too bad for what it is. For being open lockers and everything, it's not doing too shabby. So they're gonna pull him out, and then we're next. Oh, Sean Todd's gonna try to come down here. From about here, right in here, down. It gets pretty like not soupy, but it's mud, for sure. We got the Bronco 2 out here. Not your normal Bronco 2, that's for sure. That thing's freaking a beast. Oh, he popped it out of gear. Oh, that's a bad place to pop it out of gear, too. Luckily, them little Toyotas, they don't weigh much, especially when they're gutted. Oh, oh boy. I think they just hit each other up there. Oh, the OBS putting in work. I think the kids are just having fun slinging mud everywhere now at this point. All the kids are smiling and having fun.
Let's put more water in.
Yeah. I think we had... Dude, that thing is a truck. Oh, oh.
Holy rooster tail.
Stuck everywhere.
Come on, little green car. Come on, let's do it. Green car.
I gotta give it to those TSLs on that truck. Like, that actually is sort of impressive. Dude, this thing is just a freaking monster. That thing is freaking insane. Holy cow. I'm still waiting on a tow. I didn't think I was going to be able to watch the show from in here. A little S10 trying to back her up. I appreciate you. guys, so we are actually down here tearing it up, and it is hard to video. I mean, there is literally hundreds and hundreds of people all over. There's trucks everywhere. Sean Todd's having a blast in the OBS. It's actually doing fantastic. Like, I'm very proud of that truck. The Civic, we keep having a little issues. I got to fix the radiator and everything like that. I don't think the radiator I have in here is going to be suitable, but we'll worry about that later. But as you can tell, we got like an H1 out here. Hopefully you guys cannot hear the copyright music that's going on. I'll try to cup it a little bit, but the truck that's down here, he actually broke a tie rod or something. I believe he actually has a YouTube channel. I think it's with Blast. Don't quote me on that, I don't know, but I think Sean's gonna go back out there and have some fun. Poor OBS. Oh, I love it. I love it. Sean's been giving people rides all day long in the OBS truck. An OBS.
That's the guy that we're showing you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, Sean, don't hit that other truck. Oh, Sean, you're smoking, bud. Get her out. There's trucks stuck everywhere. We got another man down. Got a Jeep stuck over here on the other end. The excavator here is pulling out this thing. These people are giving it an honest effort to try to get the Jeep out. But I think he's pretty well buried for now. We're just letting the Bruce cool down right now, and then we're gonna get back out there. That thing is built and built well. Absolutely. I brought 2 and both of them were broke today, but it's worth it.
Oh, yeah. I had a 67 Camino 396 back in the day. You know what I mean? I see that and I think, oh yeah, I could have done that. Back then, I got a lot of money for it back then. And
yeah. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm gonna end it here because obviously security's getting rowdy. Things are getting rowdy, and I want to get the kids out of here because obviously people have been drinking. But an absolute blast, to say the least. I'm obviously covered from head to toe in mud. The OBS did pretty well. A little bit of overheating, but it happens. Civic, same thing. First run out, the radiator ended up falling and breaking, and it actually pinched the wiring for the cooling fan. So I was only good for like 2 or 3 runs, and I had to bring it back in and let her cool down. As you can tell there, the wires are a little jumbled, but we will get all that fixed. We will get that taken care of, and we will be back out and at it again. So there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.